The National Research Council's Aquatic and Crop Resource Development Research Center researches and develops technology for the sustainable transformation of bioproducts from marine and agricultural waste streams into higher value products. The facility in Charlottetown is a home to a range of upstream and downstream processing equipment for fermentation and other activities in which the materials can be difficult to clean. The current cleaning methods, clean-in-place or CIP systems that are used in the facility consume large volumes of water and high amounts of energy. My name is Wesley, and my team members are Daniel, Maddie, and Sophie. We are all third-year design students in the Facility of Sustainable Design Engineering at UPI, and this year we have been working with the NRC to improve the sustainability of CIP and SIP processes. The National Research Council has requested the design of a more sustainable clean-in-place and sterilize-in-place system for the customized stainless steel bioreactors, which have stringent cleaning requirements. Existing designs have high energy and water consumption and environmental impacts. The new design shall reduce the overall environmental impact of the CIP and SIP processes. Our project focuses on improving the sustainability of the clean-in-place process. As mentioned, CIP systems consume lots of water and energy, and our goal is to improve that. Since the beginning of our project, we have narrowed down our scope to mainly focus on three things: water recirculation, heat reclamation, and water flow optimization to reduce the overall amount of water and energy used in the system. Now here, we plan to show the results for our spray head and filter tests, as well as a walkthrough video of our prototype. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you guys at the upcoming expo.